This week was boring. Let's not pretend this was a dramatic week. It wasn't, but the markets just kept grinding higher, so I'll take it. Like that last set you didn't want to do, but it still counts. Here's how we finished. The Dow was up 1.26%, S&P 500 up 1.46%, Nasdaq up 1.02%, Russell 2000 up 0.94%, and yes, the S&P and Nasdaq closed at fresh all-time highs. Big tech helped lead the charge with solid earnings from Google and others, but it wasn't just the mega caps. We saw strength in medtech, biotech, oil services, E&Cs, counterboard, home builders, and even apparel. The laggards, airlines, semis, and other consumer names shit the bed. Bond yields flattened out. The 2-year was up 4 basis points, but the 30-year dropped 7. Gold finished slightly weaker. Crude oil dipped 1.3%, and the dollar fell 0.8% across the major currencies. This was a week where earnings outperformed expectations, but the magnitude of beats wasn't quite as impressive as the previous quarters. Still, we're at 6.4% blended earnings growth rate so far for the S&P, so better than expected. Under the hood, analysts are still watching tariff escalation and Trump's August 1st deadline. Trade talks with China, the EU, and Japan, slowing housing data and weak durable good orders, and a flattening equity risk premium, meaning stocks look expensive versus bonds. And yet the market's still moving. Why? Because expectations for a September Fed cut remain. Political pressure on Powell cooled off, and traders are rotating into lower quality names that had been left for dead. Looking ahead, next week is a heavyweight week. 164 S&P companies report earnings, including Microsoft and Meta on Wednesday, Apple and Amazon on Thursday. And we also get the FOMC decision on Wednesday, July jobs report on Friday, GDP, PCE, and Treasury refunding midweek. It's the peak of earnings season meets the macro madness. What this means for your portfolio? Momentum intact, but valuations are stretched. Earnings have been solid, but cautious tones are creeping in. If you're feeling like markets sprinting uphill with a weighted vest, you're not wrong. Stay strong, stay sharp, stay profitable. I'll see you Monday for the pre-market workout report. Have a great Sunday. God bless.